We've got two sides of a coin. On the one hand, you're being asked to hand your work to the machine. And most of us were never taught really how to hand it off to a person. We're not great at delegation. This new ask is the same skill. It's similar fears, similar mistakes about how we go about it. On the other hand, it's very tempting. Tempting to hand our work to AI, particularly those hard conversations we're dreading, the judgment call we're unsure of, the work we've never really loved doing. Why not ask AI to take that on? Why not ask AI what you should say to the team member who's bringing down morale? Or ask it how to deal with a colleague who's dismissive but also takes credit for your work? Welcome to this mini but mighty leadership series, Leading Alongside AI, Your Competitive Edge. Over the next several weeks, we're going to take a close look at the critical skills you need to be an outstanding leader of humans while harnessing AI. This series is going in depth on collaboration because one of the primary differentiators in your leadership will be the ability to collaborate with machines and humans, leading them both to achieve maximum results for yourself, your team, and your company. We call this becoming UnMachined. This series won't teach you how to implement AI. It's not a tech series. It's a leadership series that fosters your ability to take advantage of what AI and advanced technology cannot do and will not do well, while polishing and supporting the skills that help you lead other humans, managing yourself, your team, maybe the organization. Throughout this series, we build the skill underneath it all so that you can work with the machines while optimizing the parts of the job that make you a leader. We'll start out by covering some basic foundations, the differences between collaboration and delegation, and cross-functional collaboration, because that is a different and essential skill for you to learn. We'll talk about why collaborating with AI is actually more about delegation and how to check the work and own the output. Deciding also what you never hand off to AI. All those things are going to help you become the unmachined leader. But in addition, you develop other skills like presence, reading the room, and having those difficult conversations human to human so that while you're adopting tools, you're leading people. You become a boss who collaborates both with technology and humans. Now, if you're new to our Many But Mighty leadership lessons, welcome. The way this works is that every week we release a new episode, often less than 15 minutes, so that you can level up personally and professionally. For this topic, we're going to need a bit of time to cover it thoroughly, so we invite you to click subscribe now and set your notifications so that you don't miss an episode. We'll be coming back to this over the next several weeks. On this channel, we talk a lot about leading yourself and then leading others. It means building your self-awareness and your intention and using your power for the benefit of yourself and those around you. You have to intentionally learn and hone skills that improve yourself, and that improves your leadership of others. We're going to start with delegation, which is a skill that also initially starts with you, and it branches out positively to impact and develop others at an individual level and then at a collective level. Collaborating with both AI and humans also starts with yourself, and then it hits the collective. By leading your team through AI adoption, you use your power, your knowledge, your skills, your energy, your intention, your status to, as we call it, be a boss. You'll shift from how do I work with this tool to I'm a leader of my team and my organization. I lead by collaborating with technology and people. And one last thing before we really dive into the series. If you didn't catch the 4-part series we did on discernment, I highly recommend that you go there next. Before you view the next episode in this series, go check out discernment and judgment because they are human intelligence skills that you need to lead alongside AI. The link to those episodes is in the description below.